Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Apple Pay with Siri. So let's get straight into it. The first step is to ensure that Apple Pay is set up. So you want to make sure that you have a compatible Apple device, that's the iPhone 6 or later. You also want to have the Apple Watch, or you could also use the iPad Air 2 or later. Now you want to ensure that Apple Pay is set up on your device with a valid credit or debit card. And once you're done with that, move on to step two, and that's to activate Siri. So you can press and hold the home button, or just say, "Hey Siri," if your device is set up for hands-free Siri. Now you can also just activate Siri on your Apple Watch by saying, "Hey Siri," or raising your wrist and saying, "Hey Siri." So the third step, of course, is to use Siri to make a payment. Now you just want to tell Siri to make a payment with Apple Pay, or you could use Apple Pay to pay, and then whatever amount that's gonna be. And of course, you could just authenticate the transaction with device passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID. Then you want to confirm the payment amount and the recipient. The fourth step, of course, is to send or receive money. So the first is you could just use Siri to send money to friends or family by simply saying send whatever amount to whoever it is with Apple Pay. So you could just say send $100 to Ted with Apple Pay, as an example. The second, of course, you could also receive money by saying, "Hey Siri, request $100 from Matthew with Apple Pay," and that's going to help you to send or receive that request. Now that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because it helps us out a lot. And with that, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.